mourning, commemoration, and organizing for all events leading up to June 25th memorial in honor of our Mashujaa, the agency mandated by the states, continues, and we encourage all Kenyans of goodwill to organize in solidarity with this national holiday called the Agency Liberation Holiday. However, let this serve as a final warning to the government that should a holistic process of accountability, justice, and compensation fail to commence within the next 7 days, for whatever reason, we shall, and shall is in capital letters, resume nationwide protests immediately and without any further notice.
Okay, so my name is Eugene Arogo. Father, we demand that Macau matter. So my name is Eugene Arogo. So, Father, we demand that Macau Makutua's panel immediately calls for a series of stakeholder meetings alongside families and victims to review the names of all victims under every category of violations, including those abducted, killed, raped, injured, tortured, and unlawfully arrested. Families and victims raised immediate concerns as to how they were categorized, if they were shortlisted, and those who have been removed need immediate information. Survivors have suffered a vast range of injuries, from amputation and permanent disabilities, penetration of up to 8 bullets, injuries and wounds caused by explosive tear gas canisters, amongst many other diverse injuries. They have been left in the dark with regards to who is being held responsible for these crimes, and how the life-altering impact is going to remedy under their framework. The panel must also provide a clear, public, and accountable payment framework outlining how compensation shall be disbursed to victims and families in order to eliminate corruption. In order to eliminate corruption, favoritism, secrecy, and manipulation. Transparency and accountability are non-negotiable.
Comrades, viva. Viva. Kwa majina Daniel Otieno Kondo. Jina lingine ni Oti Mr. Kitengela Chairman. Mimi ni mwadhiriwa. So we are also strongly condemn the invasion of churches and by goons and robbed police officers sponsored